Hello, welcome to Makerspire. This is Linda, and today I am going to be making a real-life fairy tonic bottle from Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. My first step was to find a pre-made glass bottle that looked something like the fairy tonic bottle without the wing, of course. So it needed to have a round bottom, a long neck, and a cork, and it needed to be transparent glass. I ended up finding one after visiting a few thrift stores. So I bought that and took it home, and then it was time to make the wing fit. I had thought from the beginning that I probably wanted the wing to be laser cut because I could use a transparent acrylic that would look similar to the transparent glass of the bottle, and I could get very exact with the shape. So, with this in mind, I had to find out a way to make my laser cut pattern fit the contour of this bottle specifically, as close as possible. To do this, I thought I would try a technique that I had never actually used before, but I figured it might be useful for this. And I made a 3D scan of the bottle using an app that I downloaded for my phone. I had no idea how well this would turn out or if it would turn out at all, but it was actually surprisingly good. I had to wrap the bottle with masking tape because transparent objects are basically impossible to get an accurate 3D scan of. So by wrapping it with masking tape, I was able to get a pretty decent 3D scan of the bottle. And now I had the exact shape of this specific bottle. So I took the 3D file that the 3D scanning app had given me. I brought it into Blender to kind of do a little bit of fixing, smooth it out, etc. And then I used an orthographic camera to get a very precise, straight ahead shot of the bottle. I rendered that image, then took the rendered image into Illustrator, so I could use it as a reference for fitting the wing that I was drawing in Illustrator. After I drew the wing in Illustrator and made sure it fit to the contour of the bottle, I sent the file off to get laser cut and crossed my fingers that all of my work had actually paid off and the wing would fit the physical bottle, and it did. I was extremely relieved, and now I just had to figure out how to attach the acrylic wing to the glass bottle. I tried a few different glues to see what would work, and in the end, what ended up working was actually quite a simple solution. I had to sand the edge of the acrylic wing to give it some grit so the glue has something to stick to, and then just plain hot glue was the thing that worked. The fairy tonic itself is of course pink and it looks like effervescent, bubbly. So to get the same effect, I used some club soda for the bubbles and mixed that in with some pinkish reddish berry juice, and that got a pretty good looking fairy tonic. And with that, I had my actual real life drinkable bottle of fairy tonic. It doesn't quite have the same magical effects, but I think it is really pretty, and it did not taste bad at all either. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you actually make any of these projects yourself, I would love to see them. Please send them to me. And if you like the video, of course, like and maybe subscribe. Any links are in the description, and I hope to see you again soon.